Hello everyone. Today I am here to discuss how to convert Newman projection to Fischer projection in just a very few seconds by using a very short trick. So by using this trick, you'll just be able to convert the given Newman projection into Fischer projection in just a very few seconds. So how you can convert it, I will tell you. See, suppose this Newman projection formula is given to you and you have been asked to convert it into Fischer projection. Okay, this Newman projection containing 4 carbons, carbon number 1, 2 and this carbon number 3 and 4 carbon. The center carbon is called the front carbon and the circle carbon is called as back carbon. I have labeled the front carbon as second carbon and the circle carbon as the third carbon. So just you have to do one thing, just make a straight line of carbon number 1 to carbon number 4, like here. Carbon number 1 is CH3, carbon number 4 is CH3. Just make here a straight line, carbon number 1 and carbon number 4. Now keep the substituents of second carbon as it is and reverse the substituents of the third carbon, that is the back carbon, in the opposite direction. So what you have to do, we will keep the second carbon substituents, that is the front carbon. Second carbon substituents is bromine and hydrogen. The bromine is given on the right hand side and the hydrogen is on the left hand side. So we will keep it here in the same direction, like here. Second carbon, I have kept the bromine in the right hand side, hydrogen on the left hand side as it is given here. Bromine on the right hand side and hydrogen on the left hand side. So now what about the third carbon? We will just reverse the substituents of this third carbon, that is the circle carbon or back carbon substituents. Just reverse the direction of the substituents. So in the third carbon substituents, this OH and the hydrogen, OH is on the right hand side, hydrogen is on the left hand side. So what will you do? We will just reverse the direction. We will keep OH on the left hand side. So we have kept here OH on the left hand side and this hydrogen is in the left hand side here, and it will go to the right hand side. Now this is your Fischer projection easily. We will keep, again I will tell you, just see, I have kept the position of substituents, the bromine and hydrogen. It is in the left hand side, right hand side, and it is here in the left hand side. I have kept here bromine on the same position, bromine and hydrogen. Now about the third carbon, I will just change the direction of this third carbon substituents, OH and hydrogen. OH is here on the right hand side, hydrogen is here on the left hand side. So I will keep here, I will reverse the position. OH is on the right hand side, we will keep OH on the left hand side and hydrogen is on the left hand side. So we will keep here hydrogen is in the right hand side. So this is your required Fischer projection. So friends, you will you have just understood here how to convert Fischer projection, Newman projection given, into Fischer projection by using a very simple trick. What you have to note here, just reverse the direction of substituents present on any one of the second or third carbons, keeping one of them in the same direction. Okay, let's take a look on the another example I have given here. This is the Newman projection formula. CH3, I have kept here 1, carbon number 1, and this is the front carbon. I have kept here label second, and this is circle carbon as third, and CH2OH, this carbon will be the fourth carbon. Just make a straight line here, CH3 and CH2OH. the first carbon and the fourth carbon. You have to make a straight line, first carbon and the fourth carbon, and just second carbon you will just keep the position as same. Like OH is here on the left hand side, we have kept OH on the left hand side, hydrogen is on the right hand side, hydrogen we have kept on the right hand side. Now what we have to do, just reverse the position of this circle carbon or the third carbon substituents. The OH is on the right hand side and here hydrogen is on the left hand side. So we will just reverse the position. OH will come on the left hand side. OH has here left hand side. This hydrogen will go to right hand side. So this will be your required Fischer projection. Thank you very much.